Done cooking our viand for dinner. Green leafy vegetables, crumb. And also chapatis for my husband, for Langgak, for Fahad and Fatma. And for me rice, because lunchtime I cook rice, so I have extra here. And this is already I cook chapatis. Ayan, umuusok pa. And there is more one. Just now I went down and get this green leafy vegetables. This is crumb. So, ayan, ito yung aking kinuha. Sila kay ang kumuha. As you can see, the leaves very big, you see. In our neighbors, they have also plants of this kind of vegetables, crumb, and they are selling also. I think one bundle is 50 rupees. 50 rupees like that, one bundle. So if you buy this one, maybe this one 150 rupees. So ayan, this is organic. Last time I cooked this one when I have visitor last Thursday. Yung si Angel, yung husband niya, tapos yung anak niyang lalaki at saka babae, and then yung niece at saka nephew niya. So they are 6, and I cook this kind of vegetables. They like too much. They like this kind of vegetables. Ayan, ang dami. So dapat must be we have to check this one because some insects attach here. Yung green ba na uod. And then hugasan ko to, then i-slice, then lulutuin ko ngayon. Because since last last June 7, every day I cook meat, so para maiba naman. So I cook today vegetables, green leafy vegetables. Ayan, dami. So if you buy this one, maybe this one almost 150 rupees. So mas maganda talaga yung meron kang tanim. So anytime you want to cook vegetables, organic vegetables, then you can get there in field. So we have different kind of vegetables there. As you can see before, I upload also some videos. May mga eggplants, tapos yung kamatis, yung pipino, and many more. So inshallah, may mga after 1 month or 2 months, pwede nang pakinabangan yung mga bunga ng pipino or anything na vegetables, talong, kamatis, green chilies. Tapos ano pa ba yung mga tinanim ko doon? May tanim din akong sitaw, bataw, at saka kung ano-ano pa. So ito ko na para maka-start na akong magluto for our dinner. In another non-stick wok, now I have to saute now onions for this vegetable crumb. So I'm boiling this one. Must be we have to boil it. But some here in our neighbors, they cook direct. But for me, I have to boil because my husband said must be boiled this one. So this is enough. Turn off now the flame here. So we have to saute now onions. Now we'll put now also this garlics. Now we can put now this turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. And then tomatoes. And then we have to wait this tomato become paste. Then we have to put this boiled green vegetables crumb. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this boiled vegetables crumb. Now let's check. This is already cooked because I already boiled this crumb. So we have to turn off now the flame. So our viand for dinner together with lunch tomorrow is ready. And I will make chapati for them, but I eat this one with rice because for me is rice is life. This is crumb, green leafy vegetables, organic.